Welcome to Japan, a land of ancient temples and modern conveniences. Japan is the most popular tourist destination in all of Asia. Throughout the next hour, you will be instructed on how to make the most of your trip to the land of the rising sun.
Welcome to the Japan show.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to be here for 1 more hour of your time. It's the Japanese 1 hour special. And over the course of the next hour, we'll be having a lot of fun traveling around Japan. It's the Subway Monkey Hour.
Modern Japan has much more to offer the casual tourist than ancient temples. Today, visitors can find plenty of Western-style family attractions.
Okay, we're at like Monkey Land, you know? We're at Monkey Land in Japan, you know? Oh, look, here's monkeys. Look at the monkeys, huh? They're... Hi, how are you? What kind of monkeys are they? What kind of monkeys are those?
こちら入るようになってますか？許可得てますか？
Baboons?
許可。
Kyuka monkeys. Kyuka monkeys.
違う。No.
どうもありがとう。
どうもありがとうじゃない。ダメです。No.
I'm Godzilla.
あら困ったね。
Yeah, I'm in a Godzilla costume. When does the monkey show start?
チケット買いました。チケット。
I think what's happening is we didn't pay to get in, so she's angry because we don't have tickets.
すいません。
Okay.
Come on.
Domo arigato. I'm pretending I don't understand, but I do understand. Okay. We got it. We got it figured out. There you go.
向こうで。すいません。困っちゃうね。すいません。Come on.
See, my problem is I'm a stupid idiot, so I don't understand what's going on. That's all.
すいません。
Why did she take my clothes off?
ダメ。
Now I don't know what's going on. I thought I understood. I don't understand.
No.
I can't wear no green
Hi,
suit?
hi.
Is it because the monkeys, when they look at this, they'll be like, ah! I don't know why I have to take my clothes off.
はい。あ、やっと分かってくれた。
Okay.
ちょっと日本語分かる。
I don't understand why I have to take my clothes off. How come?
これだけです。これは履いてください。はい。No. これだけ。あ、困った。
What do you mean?
No.
What?
ポリスマン来ますよ。ポリスマン。来てください。
I don't understand.
あら、やだ。
Is it because the monkeys will be afraid?
じゃあ
Oh, just
ポリスマン来ますよ。
Oh, just that one? Is it just that one? What was I thinking? Apparently the problem was that the green scares the monkeys. So this should be fine. Hi. No, we paid already.
Western visitors are often startled by the slurping sounds in a Japanese noodle shop. But in Japan, slurping is a sign that you are enjoying your meal.
Let me go get some lunch. Seems everyone's eating noodles, I guess. This is how they eat it. Slurp it in. There. Suck it in. Slurping is completely acceptable. Here, you guys. You don't mind? It's okay to slurp it. Nobody told me they're using cock lard.
Most visitors come to Japan to see the beautiful ancient temples. It's hard to resist spending your entire vacation exploring these ageless wonders.
We're at one of these things that you see in Japan, you know, travel books and stuff all the time. Sort of like a Benihana, I guess. The cool roofs and beautiful golden paint. Hey guys, how are you? Try the steak teriyaki. Really good. We're on a tour. All of a sudden. This is the last joke's cracking me up still. We haven't really figured out what this is, but it's some sort of a shrine, I guess. This guy looks like he's taking a leak. What were you doing there?
Reading?
Oh, reading, okay. From behind it looked like you were taking a whiz.
I wasn't.
Yeah. Would have been a weird place to do it, huh? It's basically pretty boring, to be honest. Oh! Oh! You've seen one temple, you've seen them all. I bet. I couldn't tell you, I've only seen one temple, but I bet.
The Japanese don't get angry very easily, and they have a lot of patience with people who annoy them.
Oh, look at this. Here we go. Hi, I'm the new guy. Hi. And we kickity-doo-dah day, zippity-doo-dah. Who wants bananas? No? Oh, I've got a song about grapes I could do.
Grapes?
Grapes, grapes, would you like some grapes? Can I just do that one? One time for the people. One time for the people, 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 one time for the people. There we go. Grapes, grapes, grapes. Do you like? Just turn the mic on here. Gotta turn the power on the mic here. Turn the power on the mic here real quick. Just gotta get them both on there. Skippity doos. No. You gotta get them both on. It's hard to get them. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you figured out how you just stay there and that's it. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Skippity doo. Skippity dip dip. Skippity doo doo. Oh, skippity doo doo.
If you see Japanese snow monkeys at the side of the road, you should stay in your car, as these are wild animals and can be dangerous.
Okay, we just pulled over to the side of the road. There's monkeys all over. You think I'm joking? We just pulled over. There's monkeys all over the place. Do we have any food? Oh, we got food. We got food. Oh, they heard that. Oh, they heard that. Wait. Don't give it to me. Don't give it to me. Okay, wait a minute. What are you doing here? Just don't bite me. Don't bite me, okay? Here we go. Let me open it. Listen. Sit. There you go. Okay, what are you doing? Those are my chips. Do they have diseases or anything? Look, it's go. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my God! Oh! Let's get one in the car. Let's catch one. Okay, we're gonna get a monkey in the van. Oh. Monkey in the van. Oh God. Got it. Go. I don't want to kill it when I slam the door, so. The monkey in our van right now. How you doing? How are you doing? They're not that hard to catch, surprisingly. So, all you need is a van, a box of pretzels. How's that? How's my acting? Huh? Was that good?
Eating and preparing sushi is a way of life in Japan. Respectable sushi chefs spend many years perfecting their craft.
We're eating sushi. There's a thing, conveyor belt. Just you grab your food as it comes by. Okay. I'm gonna put a dildo in the sushi with the camera, with the walkie-talkie, so we can talk to people. Jumps, it jumps. Give me the camera. Hi, I'm a dildo. I'm a dildo. I'm a dildo. I'm a dildo. I'll have a California roll. I'll have a sushi total. I'll have a sashimi.
Excuse me, are these yours?
No, those aren't mine actually.
Really?
Well, this is
Are
mine.
you sure?
This is mine.
How about this?
That's not mine.
Do not
I don't know where that
put
came from.
anything, your stuff in there, okay? Please.
Oh, could I order one of those now?
No, I don't think so.
What? What's that? I don't understand.
Right.
We were just eating sushi. First time they've really gotten angry at me. What was that sound? You went like, "Eewa." They're just sticking dildos in their food. What's the big deal?
After long hours at the factory, many Japanese men have a healthy appetite for some of the more risque pleasures found in Tokyo's red light district.
So I'd like to introduce you to Ted. Ted is going to be our interpreter, and we're going to go buy some used panties.
Okay.
This is kind of the underground sex trade in Tokyo, so this is kind of shady. I won't beat around the bush here. This may be a little illegal. Hi, how are you? We're here to buy panties.
なんですか。ああ、どうぞいいですよ。
Thank you.
カメラ大丈夫？顔映さないでよ。
Please don't shoot my face.
そう、これやってるのはみんな知らないから。
Nobody knows I'm doing this, so
Oh.
you know.
Nobody knows that you're selling used dirty panties. Are these the girls here? So her panties are for sale? Have they been washed or no? Not washed.
洗ってないんだね。
洗ってない。
No, non-wash.
Okay, well, these ones look good. Would you say that these are good?
いいよ、
The odor is strong.
What's it smell like?
そんな匂いがします。
どの匂いってなんか女性のあそこのなんか匂い
The smell
が。
of the ladies' spot.
The what?
Ladies' spot.
The smell of the lady's spot.
Ladies' secret spot.
We're hanging out with a panty dealer in Tokyo. I mean, let's just acknowledge that right now. Why are you selling a uniform? What's that one smell like? Big Macs?
同じ。
I'll get these ones then.
じゃあこれ買います。
These are my personal favorite. They'll be a good Christmas gift from my mother. You know? Hi. Hop in? What are you talking about? Hop in. What's that going to accomplish getting in? I'm going to get in. It's either going to do nothing or it's going to hurt me really badly. Put the fish head on. What the is going on? What the hell are we doing? It's gonna. The thing is I do want to. I'm not around. I do want to get in the van with the monkey. Okay. I want to get in the van with the monkey. Oh God! Oh God! Okay, look. Okay, I'm in the van with the monkey. Are you happy now? You happy? What do you want me to do now? Go French kiss it?
Let's just get in and drive.
No, because it'll get out and its mothers and kids are here. You know?
So how does it end?
How's it end? Didn't I ended it?
Maybe you,
Isn't this the end? The end. Huh?
maybe you release it into back to freedom.
What more do you want from me? Yeah, release it back to freedom, yeah. Let's release it into freedom. Okay? Is that nice? Is that too nice or something?
Well, I mean, no, that's cool.
I got in the van. I think that maybe we should release it into freedom.
Well, we will do that. I mean, obviously.
Yeah, but I don't want to release it into freedom and Domino's Pizza and you know what I mean? You know?
You do. That's major.
That's not freedom. He's trying to get out. Let's let him out. Let's just let him out. We're gonna let you out. Come on. There you go. There you go. We did the right thing there, guys. Should all feel good. Oh my God, it's really bad.
There's poo everywhere.
There is so much in this car. No, look at all the poo there. Don't ever let a monkey in your car if you're in Japan. This is what happens. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Pizza pie, pizza pie, pizza pie, pizza pie. I like pizza pie, pizza pie, pizza pie. I like pizza pie. Pizza pie? Did you like my pizza pie song? Pizza pie, pizza pie, pizza pie, pizza pie, pizza pie, pizza pie. I like the taste of pizza pie. I like the taste of pizza pie. Pizza pie, pizza pie. I like the taste of pizza pie. Pizza pie, pizza pie. Like the taste of pizza pie. Pizza pie, pizza pie, pizza pie. Pizza pie, pizza pie, pizza pie. Pizza pie, the pizza pie. I like the pizza pie. I won't bother them anymore if that's of concern to you. We're just basically marching around minding our own business, so you understand what I'm saying. It's basically, Randy got us over here with the Connecticut Wolverines. We were told that if we came in at around 1,500 hours, there'd be about 75 of them here with the backgammon boards for us to be delivering over to the 15 o'clock. And we had the taxi cab and the people with the light rail system and the hockey equipment all loading it up in the back. So we're basically just going to hang out until then.
Okay.
But I'm sorry about all this thing.
I would request is that be calm.
Okay,
Be calm.
Be calm.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. I'll try to calm down now.
Just
Okay.
around the here.
Around the Clarinova.
Yeah.
Yeah. Around Clarinova, we'll
Please.
calm down. Yeah, it's just because Randy said that we were coming over with the backgammon boards full of the lentil soup, so it's all up to him, really. I don't want to make a fuss whether Fujifilm or Constantinople or Timbuktu or those guys with the big padded pants. You know, they come over, their pants are padded, so you think if they're going to fall down, you know, that's going to be fine for them. But I don't really have any. I don't have any issues, you know, with it. We'll head over here. Thank you. I was just doing my pizza pie song. Domo arigato. Okay, thank you. Hi, we're at the Moss Burger in Tokyo. It's a big company here in Japan. We'll be working here today. What is it that happened exactly that's wrong? Let's make a couple hamburgers.
Oh, no,
There we go. All I was trying to do was give this man a free hamburger. Oh, and then go like that. There we go. There we are. The new ashtray burger. Apparently I've made some horrible mistake. Careful, it's hot. I don't know. Culturally, I must have done something that is a faux pas. I'm from Canada, so I'm not really very smart. So, can someone explain what's wrong? I wasn't trying to offend anybody.
Suck it!
What? Suck it. What?
What are you doing?
So did I do something wrong, or? I'm just trying to do a good job here. On a three, just go.
Every Japanese person secretly wishes he or she was an American, and they often dress up like Elvis.
Check. Check. Woo! They get up every morning from alarm clock warning, take the 8:15 to the city. There's a whistle up above us, people pushing, people shoving, and the girls who are trying to look pretty. They get up. Where's the music? I was supposed to 9 o'clock. Now they're taking the power out. How am I supposed to perform if I don't have any power? Hello. How are you today?
No.
Okay, no, don't hit my friend. No, don't violently assault my friend.
No.
Don't violently assault my friend.
It's not available to play here.
Yeah, where's Randy?
Randy?
Randy, yeah, he booked me in here at 9. So I'm just...
I don't know. Who is Randy?
AAA Entertainment?
No, you can't play to here.
Okay, I just do what I'm told. This was the address.
Just get away here.
Is
You
this
can't.
is this 1515 Racamac Lane?
15?
1515 Racamac Lane here? Did you want AAA Entertainment here today?
No, not here.
Oh. And I'll be taking care of business every day. Taking care of business every way. Taking care of business. It's all mine. Taking care of business and working overtime. Look out! Looks like this guy's taking care of business. Woo! This lady right here. Are you taking care of business? Woo! This lady right here! Are you taking care of business? No! Not yet! Oh! I was booked to play here, though.
This is prohibited on this street.
Oh, okay. No, I was.
To get the permission.
I think I was booked to play here, though. That's the thing. Randy called. AAA Entertainment. AAA Entertainment. You know AAA?
Thank you for the entertainment.
We used service, but then we branched out. We do balloonograms now. You understand what I'm saying, though, right? I was booked here to play here. I believe it was this street. I can't remember the exact address, but the symbol looked a lot like that. Randy Rakakanak knock knock. Got a wart on the side of his face, glasses, big eyebrows, parrot on the side of his shoulder, green parrot. Usually walks with a limp, unless he's had 8 hours sleep or more. Likes eating stork. Am I still getting paid here?
I don't know. Should we call police?
No.
Talk to them?
No, that's fine. That's fine. I'm just listing off the words that Randy's... Damn heels. Damn. I'm not used to these things yet. Damn costume. That's a new costume, you know? Oh, okay. Here we go. I'm out of here. Just remember AAA Entertainment. We're going to be big. We're taking on ABC. That's for sure. Right ahead of ABC in the phone book.
Okay, good luck.
Yeah. Konnichiwa.
The word karate means empty hand and refers to an ancient form of unarmed combat that focuses on self-discipline.
Hi, I'd like to buy a Mercedes-Benz. How much for the Mercedes-Benz here? I like the leather seats inside the Mercedes-Benz here. I want to buy a Mercedes-Benz here. Here, hold this here like this. 1, 2, 3, okay.
All right. Konnichiwa. You can have that piece of broken wood.
Remember, when you are traveling abroad, you are an ambassador for your country. You should be on your best behavior.
Energy.
Energy? Energy.
There you go. Thank you.
I'm exhausted. I need some energy.
Go. Do it. Energy? Oh, energy. Is that illegal drugs? Domo arigato. Okay. See you later. Okay. Women, huh?
Everywhere in Japan, very clear.
Oh, are they?
Clear.
They're queer?
No, yes.
Are you
clear.
Japanese?
Yes.
The people of Japan are very quiet and shy around strangers from the West. They will not draw attention to themselves, and total silence is preferred in public.
Is this ours? Okay. Okay, oops. Oh, geez. Oh, okay. Oh, geez. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Just trying to... Oh, we're on the Tokyo subway right now. We're going to see how many people like potatoes, apples, and bananas. If you like bananas, please raise your hand. Does anybody in the house like potatoes? If you like bananas, let me hear you say, "Oh yeah!" If you like potatoes, I want to hear you say, "Oh yeah!" All the ladies in the house say, "Ho!" Homeboys, make some noise. Everybody say, "Ho!" If you like bananas, let me see a raise of hands for... Oh, you, sir. He likes bananas. Oh, no, he's just getting his bag.
We like quiet.
You like bananas?
We like quiet.
Quiet.
Be quiet, please.
Okay. Quiet. Do you like potatoes?
No.
No. You don't like potatoes? Ooh. It's a little uncomfortable all of a sudden. Huh. Like we're in Japan and I'm gonna play drums with this band. And what's the band called? Aqua Juice. Aqua Juice. Aqua Juice. Hi there. How are you?
Take it off.
What's that?
Huh?
Pardon me?
Sorry, take it
Well,
off.
this is my hair.
No.
It's a weird coincidence. I happen to have the same hair as all the guys in here.
Sorry, please take off. Please.
You should see my pubes. I haven't trimmed since 78. Thank you.
Take it.
Oh no, this is my hair.
There's a yellow rose in Texas I'm going back to see. No other fella loved her as half as much as me. She cried so when I left her, it almost broke my heart. And if we ever meet again, we never more shall part. There's a yellow rose in Texas I'm going back to see. No other fella loved her as half as much as me. She cried so when I left her, it almost broke my heart. And if we ever meet again, we never more shall part. There's a yellow rose in Texas I'm going back to see. No other fella loved her as half as much as me. She cried so when I left her, it almost broke my heart. And if we ever meet again, we never more shall part.
Yes, sir. 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 Yes, sir.
And we're back. Thanks for joining us here today on Tokyo Subway Irrelevance.
Tokyo's busy subway stations are no place to dilly-dally. Everybody is in a hurry to catch the next train.
Want to see how loud I can whistle? Watch how loud I can whistle. Watch this.
In Japanese theater, masks are worn to represent emotions. The mask of an ugly woman called Hyotoko signifies sadness.
ひょっとこ。
Hyotoko.
ひょっとこ。これは男です。これは男。ちょっと。これはね、
This man's explaining what I've been wearing my head for the last
あなたの
12
国
hours.
でなんだ。これをかぶって。
Still don't know what's happening.
ほら、どうですか。おお、いいでしょう。オッケーオッケー。じゃあ、オッケーです。オッケーです。
Okay.
あなたは上手です。
Okay.
ね
Bye. I have no idea what happened there. You know what just happened?
Space is at such a premium in Tokyo that many people are forced to sleep in capsule hotels. Guests are stacked on top of each other in tiny compartments.
Okay, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Would you like a Go Fork Yourself t-shirt and learn the positive aspects of using the fork as a utensil? Hello. Hi. You going back to bed or? Oh, it's okay. Would you like a Go Fork Yourself t-shirt? Here. You can have that. No, it's for you. Here. The Japanese seem slightly resistant to learning about the fork. Possibly that's because of their fondness for the use of chopsticks. This costume is cutting off my ability to breathe. This costume is choking me. It's gonna make me vomit. This goddamn fork costume's cutting off my circuit. See, Mom? I told you I'd make it. I'm in Tokyo dressed as a fork vomiting. Sir. Hi. How are you? I have a Go Fork Yourself t-shirt for you. Here you go. It's a Go Fork Yourself t-shirt, see? And what this is, you see that utensil on the shirt there? See that? See that there? That's the wonderful utensil, the fork. Yeah, the fork. I'd also like you to have some forks. I'd like you to have these here, okay? Okay.
Thank you very much.
Down arigato, back to bed, boys. Sleepy time. Okay. What are we doing here?
Handling over 4 million passengers each day, Shinjuku Station in Tokyo is the busiest subway station in the world.
Ooh, I gotta take a load off. Oh boy. The jet lag's unbelievable. I am exhausted. Exhausted. I tell you, it's like 11 o'clock Wednesday, LA time, so I watched 3 movies in a row on the plane. I didn't want to sleep on the plane. I figured that would hurt with the jet lag, but it didn't seem to help because I wanted to go to sleep right away. When I got to Japan, I figured I'd get a nice, good night's rest. I'd go to sleep right away. But instead, you know, what happened was I ended up just much more tired. I probably should have slept on the plane, but I'm not good with these things. I'm not used to 15-hour flights, that's for certain. No, I appreciate you guys, you know, being careful. I haven't really been stepped on yet. No one's kicked me in the head or anything, which is nice. Always a drag when you get kicked in the head while you're sleeping. Hi. What's that? Oh, sorry. It's the jet lag, see. Hi. No, it's just the jet lag that's the problem. This is it. Now's the chance. Oh, I've got one of those. Wait a minute. Here we go. How did you become a clown?
I can little speak English.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, you're good.
Good?
Yeah, you're good at English. How did you become a clown?
Oh, slow talk, please. Yeah. Slow.
Yeah. How did you become a clown?
Clown, I'm clown.
Yeah.
Yeah. And juggler.
Yeah, Bing was over at the V with the bird and the ting, and they came back with the chi for the ba and brought over the purr for the ma.
Man or girl? You?
Yeah. P for the ma, pa 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 pa.
Pa pa pa?
Yes.
Yeah.
Poo pa pa poo pa poo poo pa pee pa 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 pa. That's too musical. Okay. Thank you. This is a fire truck. This is what a Japanese fire truck looks like. Do you have a siren? Okay, so I've gotten in the back of some guy's truck. I'm not exactly sure who he is. You play with the fire engine siren and jump in the back of a truck. We're here already. Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto. Is your house here? Yeah? There you go, after you. There you go. I just thought it would be fun to jump in the back of your truck.
He's raising the chickens.
You're raising chickens today? Yesterday, I had a monkey in my car. We're trying to see how many animals we can get to poo in our van this week. Of course that's what we're doing. We're gonna get some chickens to poo in our van. And we're gonna see how long it takes for them to poo. Poo being the comedic device here. And we're gonna see how long it takes for the poo to come out of the chicken's bum into our van. Wow, that's a lot of chickens. We'll bring the van up here. Okay, there we go. 1 chicken in the van. 3 chickens. Oh, they already pooed. All right, let's see how many chickens we can get into the back of our van. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, okay. 6 chickens in our van. It's a rental. Okay. 9 plus 7 more. Okay. Oh my gosh, do they ever poo, huh? Look at the size of those poos. We have 17 chickens in our van. Okay, well, I guess we're about done here, right? Easy does it. Can I do a couple? All right. I got you, Karen. Yeah. I was a little more gentle, I think. We really did get a lot of poo in the van, though. Compare the chicken poo to the monkey poo. It's really not that much different. See, that's the chicken poo and the monkey poo. Chicken poo, monkey poo. Chicken poo, monkey poo. All right. In exchange for you having your chickens in our van, we're going to give you this remote control car. Thank you. Huh? Huh? Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh.
Japanese police officers wear uniforms that make them seem friendly and approachable. But remember, they are the law and should be respected.
Hello there, sir. How are you? Are you a member of the police department here in Japan?
Oh, yeah.
I noticed the police officers here in this country wear cute little uniforms and dress like Boy Scouts. I'm saying I noticed the police officers here in Tokyo wear cute little uniforms and look like Boy Scouts. Could I buy some cookies? Could you teach me how to make a campfire? I'm freezing, Daddy.
No, I don't understand. You know, I can answer some easy questions. I can answer some easy question, but it's too hard for me.
Okay, here's an easy question. Daddy, I'm freezing. Can you make me a campfire?
Oh, yeah, campfire? Oh, you wanna?
Sure, Japan is a really cool country. But if they're so smart, then why can't they speak English properly?
Why don't you have anything to drink? Choose one, making you better feeling. Why don't you have anything to drink? Choose one, making you better feeling. Why don't you have anything to drink? Choose one, making you better feeling. Why don't you have anything to drink? Choose one, making you better feeling. Why don't you have anything to drink? Choose one, making you better feeling. Choose one, making you better feeling. Why don't you have anything to drink? Choose one, making you better feeling. Choose one, making you better feeling. Why don't you have anything to drink? Choose one, making you better feeling. We're at the Tokyo subway at the Lost and Found. I lost my pants. Lost and found? I was on the subway and I took my pants off and then I turned around, they were gone. I was molested by a group of police officers that looked like Cub Scouts. I thought they were Cub Scouts, so that's why I let it happen. You can see a pair of pants like this, though, okay? Like this. Jeans, yeah. Jeans. Jeans. Think I have a skinny ass? It's skinny, right? Okay, thank you. Okay. Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto. 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 Okay. Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto.
In Japan, bowing suggests humility. By lowering your head, you honor the other person. The lower and more often you bow, the more respect you are showing.
Okay. Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto. 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 Domo arigato. largest fish auction in the world. Some of these tuna fish go for as much as... Do you guys want to take a crap in our van? We've already had monkeys and chickens do it. That is the most horrible sentence I've said in my life. Took it, and then it wouldn't let me through. Can you give me a hand with this? You look smarter than I do. Pizza pie, pizza pie, pizza pie, pizza. You think Godzilla gives a crap about France? And I got a blue hat on. I got a blue hat on. I got a blue hat. I got a blue hat on. Just come over. I don't give a crap about France!
A pee 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 and a poo poo poo. A pee 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 and a poo poo poo. A pee pee pee.
I'm checking out a schoolboy's ass. Come arigato. Bye-bye. It's a gay little elf. A gay little Japanese elf.
そういう技術も今含めてやりますのでね。
Godzilla doesn't give a crap about France! Sadly, this is the end of my journey here in Japan. I think my time in this mysterious country has changed me forever. I'm not the same man I was 2 weeks ago. I've met some wonderful little people over here. They're like elves. These gentle Japanese men and women, they're my friends, and they're so cute. You know, there is a lot of culture in Japan. And if we hadn't just run around and made asses of ourselves, you would have seen some of that. Nevertheless, I hope you've enjoyed our show. Maybe you learned something about subways. Or monkeys. Personally, I don't really care if you learned anything. I just look at it like a free trip. Thanks, MTV. You know, they even paid for the food and the hotel. Pretty good deal. I mean, the hotel kind of sucked, but still a good deal. Good night, everybody. Always wonderful to perform here. You're such a lovely audience. Pizza Pie, of course, being my first song that I ever wrote when I was only a young boy. Pizza pie, everybody. Pizza pie, everybody. And my second favorite song, and the one that I wrote when I was 25 years old. Pee pee poo poo, pee pee poo poo, everybody. Pee pee poo poo, pee pee poo poo, everybody. Pee pee poo poo, pee pee poo poo, everybody. Pee pee poo poo. Okay. Domo arigato. Okay, thank you. Domo arigato. Pee pee poo poo.
Thank you very much. ということでございまして時間ができたようでございます。それではこの後のファッションショーをしばらくお楽しみいただきましょう。